तो पीछे टेरी हो जाएगा, नॉर्थ ईस्ट वाला वाटर बीच ले ले, एंगल अच्छा है बट पीछे से टेरी हो जाएगा, देख ले।
Just stay here, huh? Stay here. Just hold, hold this high ground, okay? You hold this high ground. Watch out southeast, huh? Tell me if they're dismounted, Tomato.
They are dismounted.
Okay, food check OC, everybody. Food check.
On the bridge.
Okay, stay here. That guy is a solo bomb, right? You see that guy? Okay. No, don't see that guy. Okay, don't engage, okay? Okay, watch out, they engage, defensive, walk up, get ready to fake, good job Venom bro, good job, no re-gear for you, keep walking up, get ready, shallow on top me, in 5, on this night armor guy, okay, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, just shallow on top me, more damage, now go back, and defensive, come back, walk back. It's fine. Walk back. Try to pull them, bro. Come back. Come up the choke. If you died, re-gear. Come up the choke. Shall on top of me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just on top me. 2D tanks on top me. Wipe this, bro. Go back. Oh my god, bro. You guys, come back. Hello. Come back. Very, come back. Just stay here. Reset. Just stay here. The Hodge is looking. Come back. Okay, fine. Come up. Get ready. Again, I'm gonna fake. Okay, Don't go too far. They engage is looking. Get ready. This is fake. Now watch out. They're gonna engage. Come back. Get ready. Gonna shallow on the Hodge. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. Go back now. Good damage. Go back. Come back, heals. Bro, you guys are getting headbutted. Hello. Guard runes when we are engaging. That's basics. Your D-tanks, are you calling anything? Come southwest and reset. Southwest. Bhai, Ashish, tu call karna umar gaya to. Southwest. Just stay here. Now listen, we gonna try to headbutt. Okay, let them engage. We're gonna headbutt. Let them engage, we're gonna headbutt. Okay, let them engage, we're gonna headbutt. Just stay. I'm gonna fake, okay? Don't engage. I'm gonna fake, just one person use your shoes, okay? I'm gonna fake. This is fake. Yeah, fine. Let them inch up. Watch out. Let them engage. Once they engage, occult drop and we're gonna fast engage on top of them, okay? Or we're gonna headbutt. When we are headbutt, yeah, I know. Just hold. Zigoku, you can try pulling them. If I get good clumps, I'm just gonna shallow. You see this D-tank, if they're inching up, just Qs and Ws. If you are ranged, bro, don't inch up, okay? I don't want clothy DPS on front lines. Just hold. They're just doing shallows. Okay, just come south. Just come south. Make them inch up. Tomato reset.
Wait for our
Just hold. Your re-gears come fast. Wait, we lost multi? We lost our perma? Perfect.
Yeah.
Just hold there. I'm gonna shallow. Okay, Yo, watch out. They engage, walk up, get ready on top me in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top me. That's full party, bro. Big damage. Come back. Fuck, man. Come back. That's so bad. Where's my life curse? Where's my silences? Come back.
Engage with demons.
Okay, fine. We need life curse. Otherwise, we can't kill. Come back. Watch out. Gala, there's a defensive. Engage on Gala in 3, in 2, in 1. On top me. Kill this Gala. Now go back. Bro, why? Come back. Qs and Ws and come back. Don't give the window to engage, okay? Just hold. Yeah, keep spamming guard runes, bro. Keep spamming guard runes. Just keep spamming if you have it. You watch out, they're gonna look for an engage now. Hold. I'm still waiting for. Yo, watch out. They're coming. Get ready, absorb this and walk up. Get ready, shall on top me in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top me. Kill this now. Come back. Too many demons already. They're expecting this. Come back. Yo, Hodge, bro, I need your help on this. Come back. We lost GA. Just come back. Come up the choke. Walk up. Up the choke. It's fine. Up the choke. Defensive and walk in. Get ready. Walk in. I'm gonna fake. Okay, Qs and Ws on the D-tanks. You see this D-tank with night armor. Shall on top in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. Now go back. Keep going back. Back. Heal offender. I know. Heal offender. Bro, they're too good with defensives, bro. Qs and Ws on the people. Qs and Ws. Your cold monk, you're back. Come south. Cold monk back. Bhai, call for guard runes. Mark your guard runes. Tell him 1 guard runes, 2 guard rune. जस्ट स्टे. हाँ नहीं यार ऐसे नहीं होता भाई. कम बैक साउथ वेस्ट, कम बैक साउथ वेस्ट. फर्स्ट गार्ड रूम, सेकंड गार्ड रूम, डीमन लाइक दैट यू हैव टू कॉल. कम बैक, गेट रेडी. शैलो, वेरी शैलो. ओके, कम अप. लिसन, वी हैव ऑकल्ट. यू गाइस कैन गो अप. डिफेंसिव. वॉक अप. एवरीबॉडी वॉक अप. आई नो, वॉक अप. गेट रेडी. आई एम गोना फेक. ओके, आई एम गोना फेक. वॉक अप. आई एम गोना फेक. दिस इज फेक. गेट रेडी. शैलो ऑन टॉप. यू डिफेंसिव. शैलो ऑन टॉप. मीन 5 4 3 2 1. शैलो ऑन टॉप. शैलो ऑन टॉप. मीन गो बैक at the same time. Go back at the same time. Go back. It's fine. Go back. Keep coming back. How many we lost? Keep coming back. We killed one, but we lost plenty.
We lost.
It's fine. Keep coming back.
Thank you.
Keep coming back. कौन गया? Who died? Okay, fine.
And,
regear and come. Just hold there. Now listen, we're gonna do very shallows. Come up southwest. I'm gonna pull. We do shallows. Okay. Don't get countered. Okay. And get ready to stop them. They're gonna try to counter. Come up southwest. I'm gonna pull them to me. Yo, Hodge, you can pull them as well. Come up southwest. Where's my Hodge? Mega, you have to go in, bro. If you are so hard, get ready. Shallow. Yo, Mega, pull them. Get ready. Shallow on top of me. 5 4 3 2 1. Right on top me. These three. Finally, bro, come on. Come back. Good job, bro. Come back. They have no defensives and you guys are still not killing, bro. Seriously, I need word for this. Come back up. Full back up. Now listen, the idea is the more they inch up, right, the harder it is for them to kite and we get the best clump on the choke. Okay, that's our best engage. Okay, come back up. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do shallows. Come up southeast. Come up south. East line. Get ready. Come up southwest. Yes, fast. कुछ मतलब का बोलना. Come up southwest. Again, shallow on top me in 5 4 3 2 1. On shallow on me. Good job. Nice Hodge. Come back. Very late, bro. Where? Come back. Yo, watch out. Defensive. They engage. Defensive. They engage. Tell me your cooldown. Okay. I have to mark Gala.
Ready.
Where's Gala? Come back south. Where's Gala? Come south. Stay south. Yo, they engage. Walk up northeast in 5. Yo, keep coming up. Shallow on top me. After the night armors on top me. In 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top me. Wipe this, bro. Go back. Go back, bro. Go back. Listen, come back. Yo, watch out. They're looking. Come back. They're gonna look. Watch out. Get ready. North. Walk up north and stop them. Get ready. Yo, Qs and Ws on people inside you. See this bedrock inside you. Engage on top me. In 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top me. Now go back. They're looking. Go back. They're looking. Stop them. Come south. That's an engage. Come south. Next guard room. Yo. Okay, keep coming southwest. Listen, southwest. Your engages up. Get ready. Shall on top me on the Hodge in 5 4 3 2 1. On top me. This one G on top me, bro. More damage, bro. Yo, come back up.
Try to pass the choke.
No, we can't. Come southwest. Southwest up. You see that GA, bro. Qs and Ws. Come southwest. Yo, walk up. Shall on top me on this healer in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top me. With whatever you have. Just engage, bro. Just go back. Huh? Come back. Back, please.
Gala incoming.
Yo, watch out. Come back. Keep coming back. Qs and Ws on this D tank. You see the Hodge inside you. Watch out. Defensive and engage on top me in 5 4 3 2 1. Just engage on top me. This one guy inside you, bro. He's inside you, literally inside you. Come back. We are not gonna go down, okay? We're not gonna do. You kidnap this guy. Come back. It's fine. Come back. It's fine. Come west. West up the choke. You guys see me, bro. Hello. You see the collar, bro. See the crown. Come west up the choke. Northwest up the choke. Keep coming up northwest. We have higher grounds, okay? I'm gonna do big engage. Keep coming up northwest. Get ready. Looking northeast in 5 4 3 2 1. On top me. Kill at least one, bro. Where's the Hodge, bro? You have to pull. Go back up. Not getting any value from Hodge. Come up. It's fine. Come up. Listen, the thing is, this higher ground, they can't see us up. We can see them clearly and we can get best counters, you know. Come up. Yo, whom are they engaging on? Come south. Okay, fine. Come south. Up, bro. Up southwest. Again, bro, I have to explain you the same thing. Don't give them higher ground. We can see it. Get ready. Just stay up. Just stay up. Okay, once they engage, we're gonna go through northeast. Okay, fast engage. Just stay up. Get ready. Shallow on top me. I'm gonna pull him up in 5 4 3, 2, 1. Just on top me. Just on top me. Just on top me. Kill this, bro. Now go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Defensive. 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 Demons. Demons. Defensive. 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 And walk up. Walk up. Walk up. Walk up. Walk up. Walk up. Keep walking 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 up. Walk up, please. Walk up. Walk up. Walk up. You guys walk up. Walk up. Walk up. Walk up. You walk up, walk up, watch out, watch out. Now spread over here, spread over here, spread over here, spread over here. Just Qs and Ws on the tanks. Just Qs and Ws. We forget the main party. Qs and they're looking. They're gonna engage. They're defensive, 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 and walk up. Qs and Ws on the tanks. Qs and Ws on the deck. Shallow on top. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Full party, bro. Full party over here. Full party over here. Please kill this. Kill at least one, bro. Good job, G8. Come back, come back, come back, come back and spread. Come back and spread. The caller is looking. Okay, caller is marked. They get ready. They're gonna engage anytime now. D-tanks take position. Just hold here. Just hold here. This is the best spot. You know, this is the best spot. You engages up. Just hold here. Hold here. Heal ember. Shallow on top me. Shallow on top me. Walk up northeast. Everybody full walk up northeast. Walk up northeast. On top me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please kill this, bro. Please kill this. Please kill this. Come back. Bro, you guys have to speak up. What are you guys missing, bro? What are you guys missing?
They are night armoring us.
Then circle, no. Come, go northwest, bro. We have occult. We have everything. Yo, watch out. They engage on party there. Come up. Get ready. Shallow again. I'm gonna do shallow. Get ready. I'm looking north. Shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. Go back. Pama, very late, bro. Very late. Come back up. Take occult. Come back up. We don't need deep occults. It's fine. Stay here. Okay, fine. Tell me your cooldown. Cooldowns, please.
Already up.
Okay, get ready. Again on the same hodge. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top me. Go back. Perma, bro, again late. Come back. Defenses, come back. Your Qs and Ws on the hodge. Take Qs and Ws on the hodge. Okay, fine. I'm gonna fake. I'm gonna fake. This is fake.
18.
I'm gonna fake. This is fake. It's fine. Just stay up. Qs and Ws on people inside. In 3, in 2, in 1. Just on top. Just go back. Fail. Engage. Come back. Yeah, they have guard rules every time. Come up. Hodge, pull them up, bro. Come up. Get ready. You see this one D-tank? I can't change the marker. I have marked everybody. Just hold. You see the BOM guy, right? Boom guy. We're gonna engage on him. Get ready. North. Go. Come up. Just stay up. The more you inch, the better counter they get.
I faked.
Just stay up. No, watch out. The hodge is gonna engage. Okay, the hodge is gonna engage. Get ready. On the hodge in 3, in 2, in 1. On top me. Please kill this. Nice, good job. Go back. This is what we need, bro. Come up. Nice stoppage. Come up. Full up. Take the occult. Even D-tanks come up. Okay, they engaged. Okay, come. No, just stay here. Don't actually, they're kidnapping. Just stay over here. We're gonna do the same thing. Your engage is up.